The frontline healthcare workers in New Jersey are getting their second and last shot of the COVID-19 vaccine. But across the Hudson River in New York City, many are frustrated by the slow rollout. CBS 2's John Diaz reports.
It's the best kind of deja vu Maritza Beniquez could experience. Cameras in her face as she gets a COVID-19 vaccine.
I now have body armor.
But this time, it's her second and final dose.
It is a game changer, and it's our body armor. We wouldn't send a police officer into the field without a vest. And so this is now my body armor. And I am proud and happy to have taken it.
Last month, the University Hospital emergency room nurse was the first person in New Jersey to receive the initial vaccine. And in a few weeks, doctors say she and hundreds of her colleagues also getting their last shots today will be immune to the virus.
At least 3 weeks after the second dose before you consider yourself to be at that 95% effectiveness.
But while things are underway in the Garden State, New York is facing backlash for its slow rollout. Today, all medical workers, including those in private practices, are eligible for the vaccine. But many in the city say they have received no guidance from the Department of Health.
We want answers. We've been working since March. We're the ones who've been exposed, and we have been forgotten.
According to the city's Department of Health's webpage, only about 105,000 people received a first dose. Today, Mayor Bill de Blasio says he now wants to see a full-on sprint.
The refrigeration requirements alone have caused a huge number of logistical challenges to get it right and learn how to work with the vaccine properly. The fact that there was a real public concern.
He still has a lofty goal of administering 1 million doses of the vaccine to New Yorkers by the end of the month, as long as supply from Washington keeps steady. On January 11th, more eligible people are cleared to get the shot, including dentists and physical therapists. The city is hoping to increase vaccine capacity by adding vaccine hubs. The mayor and health commissioner want them open 24/7.
Double the current capacity of about 125 sites where New Yorkers are being vaccinated today, to at least 250 sites by the end of the month.
Nationwide, the Trump administration said 20 million people would be vaccinated by the end of 2020. But the country has only administered the vaccine to 4.2 million people. Surgeon General Jerome Adams acknowledging this on CBS This Morning.
We have 15 to 20 million doses of vaccine available, and we should be hopeful about that, while acknowledging that we've got to do better, and we're going to keep doing better. And I promise you, you'll see in the next 2 weeks these numbers increase substantially.
And back here in Newark, New Jersey, leaders at University Hospital say that they've already administered 3,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, and that does not include today. They say that they vaccinate about 400 employees a day, and once they get through the bulk of their employees, they will open up their facility to doctors and nurses in the community. From Newark, New Jersey, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.